Today I'm going to show you all how you all could install a Laravel application and start off a project. So first of all we have to go to Laravel website. Basically all the instructions are given on the Laravel document. Here there are two ways to install Laravel applications. It is via the Laravel installer or else via the composer. So we are going to start off using the Laravel composer. So in order to create a project using the composer, you have to download composer first of all. I have already downloaded the composer and installed. So we are going to access it via the command line. So just type cmd and go to the command line after installing composer, and now just copy these command line script. After that, go to the basically you have to choose the directory. You have to traverse to the directory where you want to install the Laravel application. I want to install it in the desktop, so just go to going to the location of it. Now I am in the desktop and just copy the paste the link, the code which I have copied from the Laravel documentation, and you could erase the block word and replace it with your application name. It is basically the website's application's name. So you could erase block, and I'm going to put it a website. That's my project's name. Y'all could of course put any name over there and just hit enter. And now it will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and it will download and install all the application configuration files and stuff like that. And after it has finished, it will display. So you have to just wait a second. I'll fast forward it now. And now we are done with the installation. You could see there are a lot of auto-generated code over here for installing the Laravel application. Basically those things will be taken care of by the Laravel, so you just have to wait until it is finished. And now it is finished when the command line is active. So now you have successfully installed a Laravel application. So you all could visit that. Just close the command line and go to the desktop, and you all could see there is a brand new Laravel application installed in your PC. So you all could open this in an editor and edit this Laravel application. So we are going to open it via Visual Studio Code, which is one of the best code for website development, code editor. So we're going to open it via So yeah, we are on our brand new Laravel project, and I'll just show you all how to launch the startup screen of the website. So basically there is a built-in server inside the Laravel package. So we are going to access it using the terminal. So just go to the terminal and type here PHP artisan. Artisan is a built-in CLI. So using that, there are many features which we could use in Laravel project. So we are going to run built-in server for the PHP application. So just type here PHP artisan serve, and you all could see it is already Laravel development server started, and you all could visit it using this link. And now you all could see successfully we are hosting and deployed the application, the brand new Laravel application And thank you guys for seeing this tutorial. uh, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for new future videos. And thank you.